Welcome back, pure structure traders, for another market analysis for the London session. Today is January 28th, 2021 here in Hawaii, and is January 29th, 2021 for the London session. Today we're going to go over S&P 500 and also gold. So let's go ahead and hop into it. We had a lot of movement on S&P. We went down to 3700s, came all the way back, went back up to 3800s, came all the way back down. You can see where we're at right now, 37.33, and looking to try to push somewhere around these 30s. 29.50 to 30 is my minor level of a key support here that I want to look for the market to come down to, find that support there, and then maybe bounce back up. We are in a bearish trend, so it is important to understand to trade with the trend, especially with this much volatility. It is important to trade with the trend and understand when the trend is starting to reverse. So for now, best trend trades are 38.50 to continue to the downside, minor level support 29.50. Next level 23, then 19.50, then about 37.06.50 is my next level of support down below over here. Of course, we want to see the market continue lower, use these as resistance and continue lower from there. Use those supports as resistance and continue back down. If we don't get that and we pull back up, then we'll start to anticipate if we get a move back to the upside from there. For the smaller chart, let's take a look at S&P 500 on a 5-tick here real quick. So again, this is a little bit of a closer view. Market coming into our level of 29.50 to about 30 to see if we can get some support. If we don't get all the way down there, I'm probably not going to be taking the fade back up. But if we do and we hold it, I'm more than likely maybe trying to fade it back up into the level of resistance at about 38.50. That will be my first trade idea from there. If it continues to hold 38.50 or even 44.50, I will be looking to trend trade the market to continue down to our next levels of support. Let's take a look at gold here real quickly. Gold's still in a nice downward trend, as we could see. We have a level of resistance, 1847.5, and underneath that I have a small little level of support, 41.6. We were using that level as resistance for a little bit, but we pulled down to our next support at 36.9, and then we bounced right from that level to try to pull up. So still in a downtrend, but we're still under a key level of resistance. 47.5 is one of my key levels there. Now if we continue to hold 41.6, we can actually see the market retest 47.5 and then come into 18.50. If we hold 18.50 and can't get above, we'll continue to look for that move to come down to 41.6 and then try to retest 36.9. Once 18.50 is broken though, that's when I'll start to be looking for the market to try to move back up to our next levels of resistance. But again, I'm probably looking for maybe a double bottom off this level of 41.6 to continue to move back up into these 47.5s. Let's take a look at a smaller chart here, 5-tick here on a gold. Here you could see closer view. We're right in the middle of all of this, so it's better to let the market come to our levels and reject those levels and then play off of that. So right now, no real trade interest, but if we do get up into our levels of resistance, we'll look to see if we can capture some trades there. If we do get down to our levels of support, we'll look for some confirming double bottom or V bottom off the level to try to move up from there. But again, levels underneath 36.9, 32.6, next levels of support, then 50 as a level of resistance, 54 above that is my next level of resistance on gold. But that is it for S&P 500 and also gold. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. If you guys did, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys have any questions, feel free to pop them in here on the YouTube channel. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. If you guys are, thank you guys very much for watching and liking the videos. Really appreciate you guys. You guys take care. Have a great night.